Everyone in our industry is attempting to make classic cars more modern. We are taking modern cars and making them look classic. My name is Chau Nguyen. I'm the founder and CEO of Vintage. And I always thought that the classic Ford Bronco was one of the best looking cars ever made. And so what happened was I bought one, and from 10 feet away, it looked beautiful. Everything else about it was so bad, I couldn't even drive it. The steering was loose, the brakes barely worked, and it broke down, it leaked everywhere. And this was my dream car. I wanted it since I was in high school. And I was crushed by the reality that classic cars have a lot of problems, and we're so spoiled today, it's hard to go back in the time. I said to myself, why can't the car just look vintage, but drive like a new car? Because if it could, I would pick that over any other car any day of the week. We built the world's first fully modernized classic. We started with a modern car chassis with a longer wheelbase, wider track width, and independent front suspension. Therefore, it is reliable like a new car, drives like a new car, and it has modern safety features. No classic car in the world has 6 airbags, traction control, anti-lock brakes, crumple zones, and side impact beams. We partner with best-in-class companies like Fox Factory for suspension, custom tuned for this application, Roush Performance on intake, exhaust, and Ford Performance Tune. Therefore, you can drive it every day, around town, in the rain, road trip, and you won't have to think twice about the way it drives. By combining vintage car design with modern car safety, reliability, and luxury, you're truly getting the best of both worlds. The end result is a beautiful vehicle that's absolutely timeless, has all the vintage charm, but none of the vintage car problems. Something you could drive every single day with your family, feel safe inside, have your luxury, and have something that is exclusive, rare, and like nothing else on the road.